Hi, this is Rob Reed with Recreation by Design, and I have the pleasure of bringing you the Navigation 324 DBS2B. This unit features a king bed, 70 by 80 bed in the main master bedroom. It's got a super slide in the living room. It's got two 42 by 72 bunk beds in the back, but this unit has a bath and a half. Now let's get started on the outside of the Navigation 324 DBS2B. Every good RV starts off with a good rock solid foundation. That's why we put a 10-inch I-beam frame on our Navigation series. You have a battery disconnect over here, your battery box, LP bottles, 30-pound LP bottles with automatic switchover regulator. You also have a power tongue jack here with a light on it. Also on the Navigation, we have LED lights. This one happens to be a light that you can use at the area up here to hook on or unhook at night. But every exterior light on the Navigation series is an LED light, whether it's a marker light or your turn signal brake lights. All of them are LED lights. Then we go back here to our floor. Our floors are a 2x4 tongue and groove plywood floor. We hand pack in between each of the floor joists R7 fiberglass insulation, and then we put your full sheets of plywood on top of that. Gives you a rock solid floor. You don't get any creaking or noise or waving or moving around at all. Here we have our diamond plate. Our diamond plate front shield is a stone guard, so it'll allow the rocks or debris or whatever you pick up to bounce off of that and not damage the unit at all. Up here we use an 030 metal. So what you're going to see is the thickness of our metal is a lot thicker than everybody else's. A lot of the industry standards is an 024. So we use an 030 metal. It is backed back there and it is insulated. What the other neat thing about the Navigation is our width. We are a wide body travel trailer, which gives you a lot more space inside for storage, hallway space, and bigger beds. Our height on these is 84-inch interior heights, and we're 11 foot 6 inches to the top of your roof air conditioner. Our roof is actually made out of wood rafters at the top, 5 inches in the middle, down to 2.5 on the edges. And then we put a rubber roof material on top of that. Another neat feature on the Navigation travel trailer line is our exterior storage. We have pass-through storage here. And you can see that it's all finished off in there. There's no raw wood, and it goes all the way through to the other side to maximize your exterior storage. One of the other neat features is we use magnetic catches on all of our exterior doors. There's another exterior door in the back underneath your bunkhouse, so you have another exterior storage door back there. Now let's move on down the line here a little bit. And I want to point out our exterior shower. Our exterior shower has a hot and cold running water, a regular spigot with a 6-foot hose and a shower head on it. So you can wash the kids' feet off or clean your fish or whatever you want to do. One of the other neat features is our slide out room. Our slide out room features a 4-seal slide system, which gives you a bulb seal on the inside, a wiper seal, and another bulb seal on the outside. On the outside, this slide fascia will come back through here and compress against the bulb seal and form a tight seal, so no wind, water, or rain can get into the unit when it's in the closed position. The same works in the reverse. When you open up your slide out room all the way out, there's a bulb seal on the inside that compresses, so that way no wind, water, rain can get into the unit at that time. We also feature rock solid sidewalls in our slide out room. These are actually backed. You can actually push in on some of our competitors out there, but it's a rock solid sidewall on your slide out room. Our slide out room is 3 foot deep, so it's a deep slide out room. One of the other things we put on there that's extra is an L bracket here. That L bracket actually covers the raw wood side of your slide floor. On the bottom side here, we actually have an undercoating on your slide out room floor as well to help from weathering. We also use a rack and pinion slide system that will easily move the room in and out, and it's a very strong system. Here we're featuring some of our windows on the outside. We use a Max Airflow 8800 series window. We do have 80% tint on our windows, and our windows will open up 50%, so you get a lot of airflow in the Navigation unit. And also we have every window in the unit will open up and give you 50% airflow. Moving down further the Navigation here, we have our 50 amp service here standard. We have our potable water, which gives you 49 gallons of fresh water capacity if you ever wanted to go dry camping. Here we have our city water fill that you can actually fill the water and just have it direct connect to your campsite. You got your, we are satellite prepped and cable prepped, and here's your 2 outlets for that. On the back side here, we're featuring a bumper. Your bumper's got a 500-pound weight rating on it. We also put our spare tire on the back of that, so you have a nice spare tire and easy to get on and off if you ever needed to use it. Our back here you can see is our radius roof. We also feature the 2-inch downspouts that control the water flow coming off the roof. Moving around to the other side here, we're coming to the camping side. So immediately you can see that we have these are electric jacks here, where you can just push a button and have the jack come down. And you can control that from each side of the unit. Now on the camping side of the Navigation 324 DBS2B, we feature a power awning. It also has an LED light strip to give you nice light at night if you're going to read a book. We feature larger doors than most in the industry. We are a 32-inch wide entry door. We have a large grab handle here standard for you to assist you getting into the unit. And then we also feature our 4-step aluminum solid step. Further into the camping side, we also feature an outlet that gives you electricity for the outside if you wanted to have a grill or something like that, or a clock radio outside. We also feature exterior marine grade speakers. This is your 40,000 BTU floor ducted heat furnace, but this is the exhaust side of the furnace. Down here we have our axles and our tires. These are 15-inch radial tires. Each tire has its own brake on the axle, on the hub. Here we have our 10-gallon DSI hot water heater. You can control that from the inside or the outside. Still on the camping side, we have our second entry door, which takes you directly into the master bedroom. But what I want to show you here is the width of the door. And then I was going to demonstrate our solid step. Our solid step is so easy to lift up. All you do is open your door, bring it all the way up, lock it into place, and then you can close your door. It's that simple. Now we're on the inside of the Navigation 324 DBS2B. One of the first things I want to show you is the half bath. Yes, this unit has a bath and a half. We've got a half bath back here for the kids. There's a bathroom toilet, a bathroom sink, lots of storage up above. And it's right back here by the kids' bunk beds. So the bunk beds are 42 by 72. You got one on the top and the bottom, and you got a nice sturdy wooden ladder here that they can get up and down on. One of the other neat features I like to show you is our inside storage. This actually has a walk-in pantry that has 4 shelves in it, 2 coat hooks in it, and it has easy access to your converter and your fuses in there. We're going to show you the command center here. So the command center, you have your monitor panel, which gives you your battery and your fresh tank, your black tank, your gray tank. Turn on your porch lights, turn on your living room lights, your water heater, your slide room. Here's a water heater. This was the water pump. Your awning, interior lights, and then this is your air conditioner digital control panel. Behind us here we have storage for our kids. We have a big pantry storage here with 2 drawers down below. On this side of the camper is your slide out room, opening windows all the way across. You have a tri-fold sofa that's 72 inches. And each end of the tri-fold sofa you have a USB port, a double USB port, so you can watch your phone, TV, or whatever you're doing on your phone. Over here we have our entertainment center. So we have 3 big cabinet doors up here that you can store extra DVDs or books or whatever you want to do. Here you have a spot for a 42-inch TV. It's already got your satellite and your cable prep in there. Down here we feature an industry-leading DVD player. Yes, this is a residential DVD player. You got USB port, and this is also Bluetooth capable. You have 3 big cabinet doors down below there for additional storage. Over here, we're going to move into the kitchen area. The kitchen here features a 10.7 EverChill. This is a 12-volt refrigerator, so it'll run right off of your battery. So you going down the road, you can keep everything fully cooled. Moving over further into the kitchen, you're featuring all stainless steel appliances. This is a regular microwave. You got your fan hood there with a light on the end of it. Here we have our Greystone 3-burner range with oven. So you have a nice big oven there to work from. This features a glass backsplash. And then it comes back over and you can use it as a countertop. And here you also have your LED backlit dials there on your stove. If you notice, we have a lot of kitchen counter space in for this 32-foot camper. Okay. Here's a neat feature. We have our stove or our sink covers on here. They are roll-up magnetic sink covers that they just go right on over the top. And they become very firm, so you can use them as a strainer or draining or drying your dishes. And then when you're done, you just roll it right up and you can put it away in a storage area. One of the other neat features is our sink. We have large stainless steel double bowl sinks with a high spout faucet, hot and cold running water. You have a nice backsplash there. You always need drawer space in a kitchen area in a camper, so we give you 3 big drawers here that you can put all your kitchen appliance or storage stuff in. You have storage underneath the sink. One of the best features I love about this whole unit is we have a pull-out trash can on the left-hand side of the sink. That way you can put your trash away and you won't see any of your trash hanging out or having a bag out in the living area. Finishing up the kitchen area here, I want to show you our dinette. Our navigation comes standard with a 38-inch wide dinette that'll also fold down into another sleeping area. Underneath each of the seats we have more storage that you can have. Put all your pots, your gear in there that you would need. And again, it folds into a nice sleeping area. Moving into the master bathroom, you'll notice that we have a lot of storage here. You have a huge medicine cabinet here with a nice mirror. You have your towel ring, soap dispensary. You have your bathroom sink, but we use residential faucets here. And then you have more storage underneath your sink. We feature a porcelain toilet, foot flush toilet. And you also have a 1-piece fiberglass shower, and it also has a seat in it. What the neat thing is that we give you a rolling shower door that locks, and then will open right back up when you're ready to get out of your shower. Now in the master bedroom, one of the best features we have is a lot of storage. You'll notice that there's storage here and a nightstand. You got pull-out storage here. You got an outlet with a dual USB port. Yes, we have dual USB ports and outlets on both sides of your king bed. This is a 70 by 80 king bed. What the neat thing is, we have a lot of storage features underneath the king bed. It's all finished off nicely, and it's got struts on it so you can let it go and load up what you need to get, your extra bed linens or clothes that you don't wear that often. And then when you're all done, you just put it back down and you are all done with your storage. I appreciate you taking the time to watch our Navigation 324 DBS2B video. My name is Rob Reed, and you can give me a call anytime at 574-326-3307, or you can email me at rob@rbdrv.com.